Samsung's new foldable phones are creating quite a stir, expected to be a major highlight in their launches this year. As foldable phones are becoming more popular, there's a lot of curiosity about what Samsung will unveil next. Recently, some leaked images have given us a glimpse into the design of the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6. These pictures, shared by SmartPre and OnLeaks, reveal a more refined design with cleaner, straighter lines, giving it a more modern look compared to previous models. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 appears to be a tad shorter and wider than its predecessor, and it seems to fold nearly completely flat, leaving just a slight gap. This hints at Samsung's efforts to improve the folding mechanism. Despite rumors suggesting it might be the slimmest foldable phone to date, it seems there won't be a dedicated slot for the S Pen. The phone is expected to feature a 6.2-inch external screen and a larger 7.6-inch internal display. While these are preliminary designs and could undergo changes, typically the final product isn't drastically different from these early images. Details on the specs are still under wraps, but it's anticipated to be equipped with the latest Qualcomm chipset and other high-end features. Samsung is planning to launch the Galaxy Z Fold 6 later this year. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more updates. See you next time.